This is Unscrambled, 3.51 reasons for 4pad. The current rules are catastrophically, ridiculously, atrociously pathetic. Before we start, there are two important things you should know. One, according to the WCA rules, and we have seen them do this, misscrambles, timer malfunctions, and false starts are all able to be reviewed post-event. Two, video frame analysis will not be used to punish false stop. The WCA has shared how it uses video analysis, how that has evolved, the method, examples of sliding. Here are three where you can clearly see that Yihang is sliding. No one's questioning this. But here's where things get interesting. If you apply these methods that they've used in previous videos to the current world record, well, here's me recording this live. Nah, please. No, don't tell me this. No, there's no way you've done this. I can't have this. Oh, mate, no. Oh, but the start looks so clean. It looks, wait, nah, that's right. The first counting solve appears to be 3.9, not 3.68. But if you've seen the start, it does look good. And here is where the rules they have put in become absolutely impossible to defend. You see, if we say that the start looks clean, in this situation, we have three possible scenarios. Improper stop, timer malfunction, poor video. Let's put some descriptions below. We can't actually eliminate improper stop because video evidence will not be used. That's the logic. If we eliminate the timer malfunction, then our investigations stop because video evidence cannot be used for stop, and there is no point checking video that is unusable. So what if we eliminate poor video? Well, now we're left with an utterly ludicrous situation. We are left with guilty or innocent. If Yihang is innocent, if we see that it's a timer malfunction, he loses the world record. If we don't see a timer malfunction and Yihang is not innocent, then he keeps the world record. That is wild. And if that isn't the biggest reason for 4pad you've ever heard, I don't know what is. I should add here, a very brief run through, this is actually a poor video. Accountability. In the last couple of years, Yihang Wang has had some controversies. He's been vilified, called a bully, a cheater, called for lifetime bans, and I've been trying to reframe the ire where I think it's deserved, which is at the WCA. For this section, I thought analogies might work. Imagine you work at a gun range. You are the day shift manager, and you realize you're having a few too many accidents on the range. So you, smart little devil, develop a tool that means you can flip a switch and the safety stays on all the guns until people are ready. All your issues disappear. Fantastic. Happy hour is every hour. Then the night shift manager starts, and he doesn't like it. So as soon as you leave, he switches off your new tool. He also tells everybody to never touch that button. So everyone walks around with the safety off. Something inevitably goes wrong. In this scenario, who is most responsible for this occurring? Is it the guy whose gun went off, which you don't know whether it's accidental or not? Or is it the night shift manager, who it isn't accidental? They have knowingly and willfully enforced the removal of a built-in safety net. Some of you younger viewers may think that it's the guy whose gun went off, but let me tell you, every court in every country in the world would throw the book at the night shift manager. And to just top this off, if you replace day shift manager with the stack mat guys and the night shift manager with the cubing guys, and you change the safety switch to the G5 stack mat timer with 4pad, you have a one-to-one analogy. Even in the head-to-head controversy where Zhuan Yi cried, nobody seemed to be mad at the WCA. Here's a 20, and for those of you that don't know what happened, here's a 20-second version. Yihang Wang did a bad. Yihang's mom asked for the rules to change. The WCA delegates changed the rules on the fly. And I'm sure you can see in this example why nobody got mad at the WCA, nobody questioned their integrity, everybody blamed Yihang's mom and Yihang himself. And I'm sure you think this is reasonable and would happen in every other sport, right? It's time to be consistent and grow up. To explain this, I lied in this video and you didn't even notice. This, you see this? This image that I showed earlier, this one was not deemed a +2 actually. This was deemed a good start. This is a vibe call, not a professional organizing body call. Solves will not be slower. In the semi-final of Monkey League 2026, Yihang Wang just got WR2 average using 4pad. And then he improved on it in the very next solve.